Hello friends, today I am gonna install Oracle 19C on an appliance on VirtualBox, and here are the information that I already put down, and I'm going to follow it. So without any waste of time, let's begin. First of all, I'm going to check the settings of my virtual appliance to ensure that I have 4 GB of RAM. So like there, verify it, and then check the display. Before I come to the display, system will have 4 GB of RAM, and then we come to display here, check the display. I have a 64 video memory. Okay, so check the adapter, make sure it's enabled and set to your local network, that's your router. Yeah, now we configure share folder, that is your host to have a location where you keep your software, downloaded software, and when you set it up here, you'll be able to access them from your Linux machine. So you, if you want to add it, you just click on add here, put the path that is leading to the location where you store your software on your host machine. You can give it a friendly name here, and take auto mount, which means anytime the machine is started, this location will be mounted for you to be able to access your software. So that is done for me already. I already put my point the location here, and the auto mount is yes, as you can see. So that is done. Now I'm going to start up my appliance. Yeah, I'm going to start up the appliance, and you have to make the IP address of your machine static. So when the appliance boot up, we are going to make sure the IP address is static, and we are going to configure the host file that control the local DNS of the system. And let's just give it some time here. Okay, I'll log in as root user, enter password. Okay, so let's see here. Open my terminal here. Let me open two terminal. Okay, so now I would like to get the first, let me get the IP address, the arrow show. So the IP address of this machine is this one here, 0.133. So we come to settings here to ensure that you make it static to this machine. Come to network, click here, and you see the information here. So I already set mine, so I put the IP address here, the network netmarks, and the gateway. Okay, then DNS, put the gateway there, and you hit apply. So when that is done, I come to my terminal here. I'll go to the host file. I already set the host file. Let me just check. etc host. No, I think we don't have the information in the host file, so I'm going to get the host name. That's my host name. I'll copy it, come here. Okay, so vi etc host. Okay, I come down, press 0. Now I'll put the IP address 168.0.133 space, and I put the host name there. I will put an alias here. I just put Aura19C as my alias. Escape, save. I will ping the alias, maybe 3 Aura19C. So that is working. Let's ping the the IP address 168.0.133. That's also working, so we are good there. Okay, now let's check what next. Yeah, host file is done. We'll set up the putty for easy. Okay, putty. Let me set up putty here. I'll put the IP address 168.0.133. I'm going to put Aura 19C as the name. Now let me see. I'll come here to connection, put 9 seconds there, second between keep alive. Okay, now I will come to let me see, appearance. Yeah, appearance, you can see that I have 10 points, so I will change that. I will change it to maybe 18 for visibility, and I'll come back to session here. I will save the session, then select that and open, accept, and I'm going to log in as root. Login in as root now, so good. Now let me see what next I'm supposed to do here. Okay, so we add this group to Oracle. This will help you to be able to connect to your software location on your host to install it on this machine, right? So copy that. Good. Now I'll have to set the environment for Oracle database. So sudo to Oracle. Okay, I think I already have my file here, but I'm going to back up my bash file first. Back it up. Now I'll cut this file here, Aura, into this file here. So first I'll put that and enter. Now let's check if our content is in there, or let me vi batch profile. So yeah, everything is in there. Oracle seed. So the name of my Oracle seed will be AuraDB. Let's check the home. Oracle base will be that, and the Oracle home is just a continuation of Oracle base and product and all the like. Okay, so everything seems good there. Okay, good. Let's come out. Okay, so now that is done. So the environment variable is done. Let's go back to root. Okay, good. We'll add this group. We'll install. Okay, group already exists. We have to ensure that we don't have any problem. I will use group mode. Good. Okay. User mode. Oracle. No changes. Okay, no changes. ID Oracle. Let me just see. Oracle. Okay, good. The group is there. Oh, install. Now I'm gonna make this directory. Okay, inventory. Yep, good. That is done. Change mode -r 7. Let me see, is it 755? U01. Okay, so let me change that. I'll just put 775. Okay, now change the kernel parameter value to this. So we're gonna enter this here. Let me check something first. Come out. Okay, cd etc sys ctl dot d. Okay, we can create that file. Okay, okay, let's put this content in there. I escape, write an exit. Just wanna check this as well. cd let's check something here. Limit, this limit D for sure. Limit config. Okay, this is a file right here. Okay, bi config, put this this information in there. So put this here, press I. Put that there, escape. Okay, good. Now I'll run this command to change the system parameters. Good. Now let me upgrade this, the yum. Okay, will allow it to upgrade. Then we install these additional packages. So you can see the packages are being installed. Okay, let me pause it and give you some time. Oh, actually, let me see here. It's gonna total download is 1.2 gig. Yes. Let's give it some time. Okay, so let's say yes here. So it's updating now. So after I update this the repository, then we'll install the additional packages. I'll pause because it might take some time, so I'm gonna pause here a little bit. As you can see, we are still on 518, all of our 1154 packages that need to be updated. So when it's completed, then I will get back. Okay, good. Let's continue with yes. See, we're still updating, so when that is done, I'm going to install these additional packages and we'll move to the next step. Good, that's completed. Let's install this one here. let's install this other one here. I just put -y so that it just install that ask prompting me. Good, there you go. So now we have successfully installed our packages. So we copy the Oracle database installation file to the staging folder. Like I showed you before, my staging folder is on my host machine. So what I need to do now is to let me check, because on media, okay, SF, I think it's Aura something. Let me see. Okay, good. That's my download. That's my so these are my software here on my host machine, so I'm able to view it here like I said before, because I mounted the share folder, so I'm able to view it from here. Okay. Okay, so now I also do to Oracle, then unzip the media, SF, Oracle, download. Okay, so unzip. Okay, let's see what the error is. More specified directory. User one app, Oracle. Okay, so that is it. We are unzipping. I wanted to use dev no so that I can just direct all this to not to be on screen, but let's give it some time to unzip, and we'll come back. Good, we have that has unzipped with no problem. So I'll have to log in again now directly as Oracle user. Okay, let me come here, log out. Now log in as Oracle. Okay, cd u01 Oracle. Okay, let's see if this will run installer. Okay, good. Let's see if this will give us everything we want. Select any of the following uh, installation option. Want to install and create a database, so that's okay. Take server class, enterprise edition, yes, that's okay. And of course this is a software home, that's the inventory file, yes, and the group general purpose, yes. Okay, I want to change the name to OraDB. And I'll put this as PDB1. Let's say automatic. Let me see if that will fix the problem. No. Target database memory exceed available memory. Okay, we don't have memory, so we have to, you know, that's the data file location. That's okay. We don't have to register anything. Enable file recovery area. Okay, so we put the password. Yes, agree to it. Operating system. We'll install. Okay, I want it to run the script automatically. Good. So okay, our database being installed. My system has consumed a lot of memory for other things, so let's give it some time to install. I will pause a little bit. So we are here, it's asking us to configure script generated by installer. I'll say yes to that. some errors. So let's see if this will help, because I went and checked the host name and did some modification there. So if it works, then I will consider that the host name was causing the issue. What I did exactly is, let me show you my host file here. Okay, so let's go into the host file, etc host. So I took this part here, this first part here, and put it as an alias, because formerly I was having a different alias here which did not resemble this, and I think that could be causing the problem. So let's wait and see. If it works, then means that we have to be careful when we are putting the host name in the file. Let me see if it's progressing or not. Yeah, it hasn't failed, which means that could fix the problem. So okay, I will just wait for this to install, and I will pause the video. Thank you so much. So the installation is completed successfully, as you can see here. And where we had an error, just for a recap, was due to the host file, the host name that was put in the host file. So I corrected that, and the problem was fixed. So we have successfully installed our Oracle 19c, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.